Hey ESY folks, I just wanted to make a quick video about how to do today's math assignment. Um, this is called the Mental Math Score Tracker. So we're using this during ESY on the days we have math to keep track of our math scores for the skills we're practicing. On Tuesday, I assigned a assignment where you had to choose some math skills that you are working on and find some games to play. So today what I'd like you to do is choose one mental math game, a skill that you're going to work on, and I'd like you to go to MathNook. So I'd like you to play that game. So think about the skill you're using, the game you found. Today I'm going to try fractions. So I'm going to play the equivalent fraction game. So if you're looking at working on equivalent fractions, this is a game you could play. Oh, it looked like that one didn't pop up. So I'm going to pick a different one. Some of them aren't linking. So I know the math tank equivalent fractions. I know that will work. So let me play that. So make sure you read the directions if you haven't played the game before. Practice a little bit. And turn the volume off. Okay, so I want to try to collect my coins. Find a fraction equivalent to 16/20ths. So I'm trying to find the fraction that's equivalent to this. So if you're practicing factoring, so we have to remember the factors. So 16/20ths, the fraction that's equivalent. So I know the greatest common factor is 4. So 16 divided by 4 is 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So then I'm going to go. All right. So what I want you to do is once you've finished the game, you've played the game. So I died, so I'm done with my first attempt. I want you to take this score here that you had at the top. Now my total score was 0 because I died, but you can pause it and record your highest score at a certain point. So my highest score was 1650. So I would choose maybe start with a game that's maybe a little bit easier. And then what I'm going to write is my score here. So I'm going to write 1650. Okay. And then I'm going to play another game. And I might play that same game, or I might play a different game. So we'll change this, and I'll say games. So if you wanted to try some different games. So find a game that fits where you're at, so you can start adding some scores. If the game's too hard, choose a different game. So it might take a little bit of time to find the right game, but that's what I want you to work on today. So when you've played the game 5 times, or the games 5 times, you're going to add up your scores. Okay. And what you're going to do is you can use a calculator if you'd like. So those of you that want to work on long division, you can work on long division on a piece of paper, and you're going to add up all your scores. So 5 scores, and you're going to divide it by down here, you're going to divide it by 5. So you're going to take your total score, you're going to divide by 5. Let's make that a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger yet. And then you're going to get what's called your average score. And your average score is what you normally, your average score, the number that's right in the middle of all your scores. So what you're doing here is you're creating a data set, a group of numbers that all have to do with one activity. So this activity is playing video games. So I don't want you to spend any more than a half hour on this. So if you find yourself struggling and you're just not sure what to do, you can go ahead and message me. I'll be around till noon today. So I want you to give your best attempt here. Really, this is about practicing some mental math skills. So we're going to be doing this for a few minutes every day on the days we have math. And then next week we'll start some more specific things. So, all right. So I just wanted to give you kind of a quick video about how to do this. Again, do your best. This is about increasing our math skills, just giving our brain some exercise during ESY during the summer. So I don't want it to be something that's stressful, too stressful. But again, if you need some help, go ahead and message me. I'll be around till noon today. All right. Thanks, guys.